Hi, welcome back. 744. Great to have you. So this morning, we have an exclusive interview you will only see here on Q13 Fox. So listen to this. Right now, shots are in the arms of some Washingtonians, part of a trial at the Kaiser Permanente Washington Health Research Institute to see right now if an investigational vaccine by Moderna can fight against the COVID variant first discovered in South Africa. So this morning here, I'm joined by Dr. Dunn to talk about the trial and also what's next. Dr. Dunn, thanks for being with us. Good morning.
I'm glad to do it. Good morning to you.
So, we're hearing so much about different vaccine trials right now. Tell us a little bit about this specific trial.
This trial is what we call a phase 1 trial, and you've all heard of that from the past. And specifically, it's a trial of an investigational vaccine that's designed to protect against the coronavirus mutation that was first identified in South Africa. As most people know, we've been paying a lot of attention to the different variants of coronavirus that are circulating all around the world and in the United States, particularly to those that look like they're more infectious or more deadly than others. This is a vaccine that's looking to target one of those more specifically. I think it's important to say that that some people have some misunderstanding about that. The data that we have on our current vaccines, the 3 that are being used in the United States right now, shows that they do provide what looks like an adequate level of protection against other variants of coronavirus, including the version identified in South Africa. The real purpose to doing this trial is so that if it turns out in the future that we do need an updated vaccine, the evaluation will already be underway. We will have data to work with and a vaccine in process.
Okay, I'm actually glad that you specified that because a lot of people are getting these vaccines now and we're hearing about these variants and you're going, did I just get a vaccine or am I about to get a vaccine that, isn't going to protect me against what is going around right now? So I think as, us non-medical folks, it's kind of frustrating and overwhelming.
Oh, I certainly understand that. People should understand that viruses evolve. This is what all viruses do. Flu virus does this every year. So this isn't surprising, and most variants aren't going to be a problem. Really, this is being done out of an abundance of caution because going forward, we really don't know with different variants how much of a problem they might be.
And you're right. It's good to start that research right now. Now, we've read that you've only given the shot to, 3 or so people right now? So what happens next?
We give it to a few more.
Oh.
This particular study isn't all that large. There are 4 different sites. The one here in Seattle is one of them. But the total number of people in the entire study is only a little over 200. And if you remember back last March when we were doing phase 1 studies of the mRNA vaccines that were first being developed then, this is analogous to those studies. This study is really to look at safety of the vaccine and make sure that people mount what looks like an immune response to it. There are several different doses and combinations being tried, and the results that we get from that are going to inform what other studies need to be done in order to make sure that this vaccine is effective and ready for public use.
And do you think this will have maybe something to do, this could in the future with, what we're hearing about possible booster shots or, every year we get a flu shot, something like that?
Boy, that's $1 million question, and it's just a bit too early to answer that. The truth is that what we know about the coronavirus right now is a lot more than we knew a year ago, but we still don't know how much it's going to change, how important those changes are going to be, or really how long the efficacy of the vaccine will last once you get it. And all 3 of those things will play into it. It's entirely possible that no, this will be it, and we won't actually need to do any additional doses of vaccine for people who've already been vaccinated. It's also possible on the other end of the spectrum that this could become a recurring thing. But right now, we're way too early in the game, even a full year into coronavirus, to be able to answer those questions.
Yeah, you're so right. We've been sort of watching this in real time as it plays out. But Dr. Dunn, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for the work you're doing as well. It's really important work right now, and we appreciate that.
Thank you for having us.